Well, good afternoon, guys. I thought, since it's my daughter's first day off school, well, half a day.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
The school's finally broke up 2 days later than the rest of the world. We go for a little walk around the back. It's very blustery, it's very cloudy, and it looks like it's going to chuck it down with rain. But we thought we'd stretch our legs just for a little while, see what's going on before we go back and make some dinner. What do you fancy for dinner?
Food.
I guess we're having food for dinner. Anyways, let's have a look and see what's going on, eh? I don't know if this camera's picking it up, but you can see in the distance the trees. It's quite windy. You wouldn't think this was a summer month, late July. It should be raging hot, lovely sunshines, but no. Hello. All right. No, that's okay. I love doggies. Look at those doggies. She's got 4 dogs and about 8 leads. Well, she lost some. I always like the feeling walking down this path here. Don't know why. It's not exciting when you get to the other end. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do love it because it's less people-y. You're not in the housing estate anymore, and I much prefer being in this environment. Let's have a look over here. The water is slightly deeper today. I don't know where the ducks have gone though. We've never seen them for a long time.
Hibernating.
Or someone's cooked them for the dinner.
Oh.
Look at those doggies having a fun time. I always like this little stream. There's literally nothing down here. I mean, nothing that lives in the stream. I mean, how stupid would I be if I was to step in there and get wet, eh? I mean, imagine. Uh-oh. Yes, I've done it. Hi. You watch, I'll step in a deep part and I'll be like, well, I want to go home and get changed now.
I would join you if I didn't have breathable food. hello there.
Hi. Now, how the hell do I get out of this? Let's go a bit further. Do that again. In about 5 seconds. Pop up from a bush. I bet you guys think I'm mental. It's fun. Hey, Nelly. Now where's Holly? Where is she gone?
Hello there.
Well, hi. Now I'm going to try and figure out how the hell to get out of here.
You can't come up here. You have to keep walking.
Oh crap.
I'll check how far.
Okay. I'll get up there, won't I? I just saw a concerned lady who thought I'd lost something. She goes, "You okay? You lost something?" I'm like, "No, just me being me, doing stupid things for YouTube." Right, I found a spot where I can get out. Kind of.
There's a better spot further down,
Is there?
I think. Might be able to get out.
I'll have a go, yeah. Ew.
I hope you fail, because it's kind of funny watching you walk through the water.
There we are. Job's a good one. I enjoyed that.
Then go back in.
Do it again. Let's have a little venture a bit further up here and then we head back.
You could have come up through there.
No.
Duck.
Oh, there's a duck. Let's have a little look down here. I don't want to scare the duck. The one and only duck. Where's your buddy? I do love it when there's not many people around. Nice and peaceful. Don't mind seeing the odd dogs, dog walkers. But yes, it'd be nice if that stream was a little bit better, bigger and deeper. Get a little canoe. Because it's probably a good 1.5 miles long, that. Oh, I see a nice big white bird over there. Look, can you see in the distance? I'm sure we saw that last time. A pair of them.
And cook it.
Kill it and cook it. Jesus. Oh, let's have a look down hither.
Oh, do we have to?
Well, you don't have to.
Go on then.
If I can. It's quite steep to get down here with a
I'll
pair of
race you to
bloody...
the other side.
With a pair of wellies on, it's quite steep. Oh!
I'll race you down there. Challenge accepted.
I do like this part. Holly racing me to the other side. Yeah, this part down here, I don't know if you can see very well, but it's actually quite deep for the old boots. Might be silly, but I'm not stupid. Right.
Yes, you are.
Excuse me.
Just tell the truth.
Oh, here we are. And I think it's at this point where I think we should turn around and head back.
Yep.
I guess we're turning around and heading back then. Look at that. I'll tell you what, when we get back, I'm going to have a delicious cup of green tea with a spoonful of honey. Oh, that sounds just right. Oh, look at this nice little pathway here. The lovely sounds of nature, little birdies, tweet, tweet, tweet. To the left of me there's a train roaring past, and above there's an aeroplane flying over. When I win the lottery, I don't say if, I'll say when, I'm going to buy a house in the middle of nowhere. No light pollution, no traffic noise. Oh, bliss. I'm just following the old little birdie down here. He's leading the way. You see? These are the doggies that were playing in the water before. They're really enjoying that. I enjoyed walking through it. Because why not? This is the part where you saw me walking in the little stream
I have
earlier.
a photo of it.
You took a photo?
I have a couple of videos of you walking. I have a
As you do.
video, like, just turn around and you're walking. I'll edit that later. And I have videos of the doggies.
Nice. Still record. steep part there. That's two people who said, have you lost something? My mind. Tell you what, don't knock it till you try it. This is fun.
Dave doing Dave things.
Hey?
Dave doing Dave things.
Absolutely. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Look, it's Bigfoot.
Ew. Yeah, that's a bad idea. My welly would have come off and I would have gone yeet.
That would have made a good video.
It would at a later date. Not right now. It's all about having fun. I'll tell you what, that was a lot of fun, quite invigorating. I'd like to do that on a really, really hot day though, you know what I mean? Either way, today it's all right actually. I did feel a few spots of rain coming down, but I think it's holding off there for now, which isn't too bad. So yeah, it's time to head home and get something for our dinner.
Why not?
Hello there.
Hello there. Just. Hey.
Hello there.
Hello there. Again.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this silly little video. I thought it was on the daft side, but you know what, it was really fun to make. So it killed some time of the afternoon. So now we're going to head home. I'm going to have a drink, sit down for a few minutes, have a chill and get our dinner done. So don't forget, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.